Hello everyone, I am Altamash from class 10th studying in Vidya Pratishthan's New Bal Vikas Mandir, and in this video I will be explaining Joule's law of heating. So what is Joule's law? According to the Joule's law, the heat produced in a resistor is directly proportional to the square of a current for a given resistance, is directly proportional to the resistance for given current, and is directly proportional to the time for which the current flows through the resistor. To understand this much better, consider a current I flowing through a resistor of resistance R. Let the potential difference across it be V. Let T be the time during which a charge Q flows across. So the work done in moving the charge Q through a potential difference V will be VQ. Therefore, the battery must supply energy equal to VQ in time T. Hence, the power input to the circuit by the battery will be potential difference into charge upon time, which we can rewrite as potential difference into current. Now, the energy supplied to the circuit by the battery in time t is power into time. If we substitute P as Vi, we get VIT. Now, what happens to this energy expended by the source? This energy gets dissipated in the resistor as heat. Thus, the amount of heat H produced in time t is H is equal to VIT. If we apply Ohm's law here and substitute V as IR, we get H is equal to I square RT. Let's take an example. An oven has a heating element with a resistance of 15 ohm. The voltage is 120 volts. How many joules of heat can the oven produce in 30 minutes? Let's write the given part first. R is equal to 15, V is equal to 120, and time is equal to 30 minutes, which we can write as 1800 seconds. Let's find the current first. We can find it by using the formula I is equal to V upon R. And by putting the values of V and R, we get the current is equal to 120 upon 15, and by dividing 120 by 15, we get the current as 8 amperes. Our next step will be finding the heat, and we can find it by using the formula I square RT. And by putting the values of I, R and T, we get heat is equal to 8 square into 1800 into 15. And by multiplying these values, we get the heat as 17,28,000 joules. Let's take another example. Find the heat produced by a 75 watts 120 volt light bulb if it is left on for about 10 hours. Give your answer in joules. Here the power is 75 watts, the voltage is 120, and the time is 10 hours, which we can rewrite as 36,000 seconds. We know that H is equal to I square RT. And here I square R is nothing but P, which is power. So we can rewrite this formula as heat is equal to PT. And P is 75 watts and T is 36,000 seconds. So heat is equal to 75 into 36,000. So heat is equal to 27 lakh joules.